Ooh, I love these pets.
Oh no!
Greetings, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Do you want to know what I'm doing today? I am so excited because one of my friends invited me over to their birthday party. And guess who? It's my friend Owlette. So, today Sky is teaching me etiquette. Do you know what etiquette is? Etiquette is table manners, like saying please and thank you. Sky is really good at that, so she's going to teach me how to do it. Right, Sky?
Right, Marty, and I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, let's figure out what you're going to eat.
Give me that banana.
Earthlings, was that a nice way to ask?
What?
What's nice to say is please. If you want something, say, please, can I have that? Or, would you pass me the banana? If you're polite to people, which is like being kind, if you're nice, then people will want to help you more, and it looks a lot nicer for you. Let's try that again.
Sky, would you please pass me the banana?
I would love to. Zoop.
Ooh.
Did you guys see anything wrong with how he was eating?
There's nothing wrong with how I'm eating.
Let's watch some more.
Sky, would you please hand me that pizza?
I would love to. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Is there something else you should be saying?
Me? I already said please.
But since I handed it to you, do you know something else you're supposed to say?
No. Earthlings, do you know what I'm supposed to say?
Say thank you. After someone hands you something you want, say thank you.
Oh. Please and thank you. Thank you, Sky.
Of course. I'd love to help.
Ooh, those pez sure look tasty. What do you think, little earthlings?
Go ahead, eat some of the pez.
Ooh, I love these pez.
Oh no! Do you guys see anything wrong with the way that he's eating? Ooh. Well, I think that there's something you could do to make your manners a little better.
What? I'm using good manners. I said please and thank you.
I know you said please and thank you, but it's also important to chew with your mouth closed.
Chew with my mouth. What? Like how?
Well, let's see how you were eating. Show me. Well, it's important that you keep the food in your mouth, and if you chew with your mouth closed, let's see. That looks a lot better than letting all the food spill out of your mouth, don't you think?
I do think that looked better. Very good.
And it's important that you keep yourself clean while you eat, so use your hands and be polite.
I can do that.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Sky,
Yes?
would you please hand me the bread?
Yes.
I'm going to have a piece of this. Thank you, Sky. That was delicious.
That was a great job, Marty. The things that we learned today that are important to know. Can you list them off, Marty? Yes.
It's important to say please and thank you.
Yep.
It's important to chew with my mouth closed.
Also important.
And it's important to make sure I don't make a big mess.
That way you'll be better at the party. But there's one more thing you need to know.
What's that?
Wiping your mouth when you're done.
Ooh, that doesn't taste good.
The napkin isn't for eating. It's just to make sure there's no food on your mouth.
Thanks so much, Sky. I'm so glad we learned this together.
Me too.
Now I'm headed off to the party. Let's see what happens next.
Who's in here? Whatcha? Oh no, it's Night Ninja! Phew. Whoa, yeah. Let's keep Night Ninja in there. Woohoo! Come on, cat boy, hurry! Woohoo! Here we go! I'm coming. Shh! Be quiet.
Oh, hi, PJ Masks. What are you doing?
We're we're gonna play hide and seek with Gecko, but we gotta hurry and hide.
Oh, well, look at these doors. Those look like a good hiding spot.
Yeah, let's hide in these, Owlet.
All right, little earthlings. Let's watch Gecko and Owlet and Catboy play hide and seek.
Okay, Catboy, you hide in the blue one and I'll hide in the red one. Okay. Okay. Here I go. Okay, and I'm gonna come up here and hide up here in the blue one. Where did they go?
Oh, hi, Gecko.
Hi, Marty. I'm looking for Catboy and Owlet. We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, well, I guess you could look in these doors.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's start with number 1. Door number 1 is purple. Who's in here? Whatcha? Oh no, it's Night Ninja. Phew. Whoa, yeah. Let's keep Night Ninja in there. Phew. That was a close one. Okay, now let's try. This is a window. Let's try window number 2. Ugh. All right, what's in here? Haha! Catboy, I found you! You found me, Gecko. Good job. I was in the blue locked window. Yeah, you were, but I found you. Good job, Gecko. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see who's in door number 3. Let's see, who is it? Ah, it's Luna Girl. Wow. Whew, yeah. Keep that door locked too. Whew. All right, now how about door number 4? Let's see who's in here. Oh, Owlet, I found you, Owlet. Good job, Gecko. I'm glad you found us. Now we can look for you while you hide. Yeah, but first let's see what's in these other 2 doors. Like this is door number 5. It's green just like me. Oh, look! It's Sky from Paw Patrol. Oh, hi, Sky. Hi, Gecko. Hi, Owlet. Hi, Chase. I heard you playing hide and seek, so I hurry and hid in here. Oh, well, we found you. Yeah, good job. Okay, now who's in door number 6? Blah! It's Romeo. You took too long to find me. I win! Okay, Romeo, you win. We're all gonna go hide. Okay. All right, count to 5 million. Okay. 1, 2. Let's go hide, you guys. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, no. Romeo's going to be counting for a long time. All right, little earthlings. That was fun watching our PJ Masks play hide and seek. And now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.